Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, when did I start feeling this old? The truth is, aging sneaks up on us. One day you're full of energy, and the next, your body feels stiff, your muscles ache, and simple movements become harder than they used to be. But here's the shocking part. Most of what we call aging isn't actually aging at all. It's neglect. Yes, you heard that right. Your muscles weaken, your posture declines, your balance gets worse, and your energy drops, not because you're getting older, but because of what you're not doing. And today, I'm going to reveal the #1 anti-aging exercise that almost 99% of people completely ignore. This one movement can rebuild your strength, protect your joints, improve your balance, and even sharpen your brain. No expensive equipment, no gym membership, and no complicated routines required. But before I tell you what it is, let me ask you a question. What if I told you that losing your independence as you age isn't inevitable? What if I told you there's a way to stay active, mobile, and pain-free well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond? Because here's the hard truth. Ignoring this one exercise is the reason so many people end up struggling to walk, climb stairs, or even get up from a chair as they get older. Why most people age faster than they should? After the age of 40, we naturally begin to lose muscle mass. Scientists call it sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons aging feels so heavy on your body. Without strong muscles, your bones weaken, your metabolism slows, and daily movements become harder. The sad part? Most workouts don't fix this problem. People spend hours walking on treadmills or doing random exercises that don't target the muscles responsible for keeping us young, strong, and mobile. But the exercise I'm about to reveal directly combats sarcopenia, helping your body fight back against weakness, stiffness, and poor balance. The #1 anti-aging exercise everyone ignores. So, what is this miracle movement? It's deep squats, but not just any squat. Controlled, low-impact bodyweight squats, done with the right form. Before you roll your eyes and say, squats? Really? Hear me out. Squatting isn't just a leg exercise. It's a full-body anti-aging reset. Beyond. Every time you squat, you activate the largest muscle groups in your body, improve circulation, increase bone density, and train your nervous system to stay sharp. It's the same movement pattern you use when sitting, standing, climbing stairs, or getting up from the floor. In other words, squats train you for life itself. Studies have shown that people who can comfortably get into and out of a deep squat position tend to live longer, healthier, and more independent lives. And yet, 99% of people over 50 avoid squats completely because they think they're too old, too stiff, or too weak. But avoiding them only speeds up aging. How to start, even if you're a beginner. Here's the good news. You don't need to load up a barbell or do anything extreme. Start simple. Step 1. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Step 2. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Step 3. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips as if you're sitting on a chair. Step 4. Go as low as you comfortably can. Even a few inches is progress. Step 5. Push through your heels to come back up. Do 10 slow, controlled squats. Every day and over time, your legs, hips, and core will grow stronger, your balance will improve, and your joints will thank you. If you can't go too low yet, hold onto a chair or countertop for support. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Your future self will thank you. Imagine yourself 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. Do you want to be relying on others to help you up from a chair, or do you want to move with strength, balance, and confidence? This one exercise, ignored by almost everyone, can quite literally add quality years to your life. But only if you start today. Don't wait for your body to force you into action. Take control now. Do this exercise daily. Stay strong, stay mobile, and keep your independence for decades to come. And trust me, your future self will look back and say, "Thank you for starting today." By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.